The maximum landing weight, or MLW, is the maximum weight at which an aircraft is certified to land. It is a critical safety limit determined by the aircraft manufacturer and takes into account factors like structural integrity and braking capability. This weight is typically lower than the maximum takeoff weight, MTOW, because the aircraft may need to burn off some fuel during flight to reduce weight before landing, especially on long-haul flights. The MLW varies depending on the aircraft type. For examples, for a Boeing 757, the maximum landing weight, MLW, typically ranges around 204,000 pounds, 92,300 kilograms. However, this value can vary slightly depending on the specific model of the 757, e.g. 757-200, 757-300. And it is essential for operators to refer to the specific aircraft's manual or certification documents for precise data tailored to their configuration. The MLW is crucial to ensure that the aircraft's landing gear, structure, and brakes can handle the forces during landing.